So hello guys, I am Vincent Ken Capin. So today we will determine or compare which is this battery is weak or good. So this is our materials, multimeter batteries. And as you can see guys, to measuring batteries, let's turn the range of the tester, which is the DC voltage. So let's start this first battery. So it's already in 2.5 volts, as you can see. So okay, so as you can see, the pointer of the multi-tester is moving on almost 5.8 volts. So it's good. So the second battery, as you can see, this battery is not moving or a little bit. So this battery is not good or weak. So as you can see, and also there are stain of the battery. So therefore that this first battery is good than the second battery. So that's all.